Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Elena. I'm a counseling intern here at HMI, and I'd like to take the next couple of minutes to walk you through a guided meditation that's focused on breath awareness and inner light work. So go ahead and find yourselves in a comfortable seat. If you are seated in a chair with a back, go ahead and lean into the back of that chair. Let it do the work of holding you up. You don't have to do that right now. And if you're seated on the floor, find yourself in a position where you have a long spine that grows out of your pelvic floor. Check in that the roof of your mouth hovers over your pelvic floor. Take a big breath in. And as you exhale, let your shoulders drift away from your ears. Take another big breath in. And as you exhale, let the space between your eyes soften. Let your jaw relax away. Your hands can either be palms up or palms down on your legs, or if it feels better, take one hand to your low belly, tent the fingertips of your other hand, and place it on the floor next to you. Take a big breath in, and if it feels safe enough in this moment, close your eyes. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, that is okay. I invite you to take a soft gaze on a focal point somewhere in your space, or to focus on this candle. Take a big breath in, and let it out. And just take a couple of moments to check in with your breath and your body. Take a big breath in and swallow and exhale. Breathing into your low belly. A swallow is a quick click into the parasympathetic nervous system, which cues the body that this is a safe enough moment. As you let your breath wander through your body, see if you can locate your inner light. Maybe it's in a place of softness. Maybe it's locked in a place of tension. Does it have a color? Is it big? Is it small? Is it bright? Is it dim? Does it flicker or is it still? Follow your breath towards your inner light. On your next few breaths, if your natural breath in is a 3 count, exhale on a 6. Or if it's a 4, exhale on an 8. This idea of a double length exhale will help slow down the body and help you locate your inner light. Breathing in on 3, breathing out on 6, in on 4, out on 8, without agenda or judgment. Just noticing. And as your mind begins to wander, which it will, invite yourself back into presence with your breath as you follow your inner light. With your next few rounds of breath, let go of the counting. Return to your normal breathing without any attempts to change it. Just breathe. And I invite you to take your inner light to your feet. Let your breath enter your body through your feet, filling up your feet with the color of your inner light, the warmth, the shape, the expansion, in through your feet and out through your feet. Next, let your awareness move up to your calves. With every inhale, let your inner light fill and expand your calves. And then relax away with your exhale. Now move up to your knees. Your breath comes in through your knees. They swell like balloons. And then they release. Your breath then comes in through your thighs, your quads, your hamstrings. Maybe you can feel it under your fingertips if your hands are there. Big breath in. Your inner light filling your legs as your breath enters through your thighs. And exhale it away. Next, let your breath enter your body through your hips. Your inner light swirling around in there, filling you with brightness, some lightness and ease. And let it out. Send your inner light through your belly as you breathe your stomach wide. And then gently let it go. Inhale through your hands. Hold your inner light in your fingertips. Move your fingertips a little to feel it, tickle it, and let it go. Send loving breath, inner light, as you inhale through your forearms and let it go. Shift your attention now to your biceps, inhaling through your biceps and your shoulders, inner light expanding through you. Exhale, let it go. One more time, up in through the shoulders, the back of your shoulders, this time expanding like wings of light. And let it go. Inhale through your heart. Let the essence of your inner light fill the spaces of your heart as it expands with breath. And let it go. Let your light travel up into your throat, filling your voice with light. Let it go. Up through your jaw, into your face, the space between your brows. Let your inner light light up your whole face. Inhale and exhale. Send your inner light up through the crown of your head, passing your brow, up. And as you exhale, let your inner light enter the top of your head again and travel all the way down your spine to the base of your pelvis. Take a few more breaths. Notice, has your inner light shifted at all? If it was trapped in a habitual place of tension, is there a part of you that needs a little bit more of your breath still? Can you take the last few moments of our meditation to send your focus there, without agenda, without judgment, just loving kindness? And breathe. When your mind begins to wander, bring it back. Just breathe. Sit with your inner light. Listen to its wisdom. Let it fill every space of your body. Let your next breath come in a little bit deeper. Open your mouth and let it go. Reintroduce some movement to your fingers and your toes. If your eyes are closed, gently open them. And if you need to move your body around a little bit, go for it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. And I hope you all have a wonderful winter break. We'll see you back at HMI real soon. Take care.